The stage was set, but the lights were dim. Watch how did Zenith enlighten the career of Mithun. In the glitter of Bollywood, where stars twinkle and competition burns fonder than a summer sun, a spark was to descend on this stage. A man with fire in his heart, who had dreams in his eye, was ready to set foot on the stage. Mithun Chakraborty, a national award winner and a young chap overflowing with talent, was going to conquer the silver screen, but before long, it was obvious that fate had plans of her own. He found himself the object of ridicule on account of his looks, producers shoved him away, and many glamour queens locked their doors against him. These, together with prejudice against the outsiders, made Bollywood unbearably ruthless for him. Zenith Aman completely transformed Mithun Chakraborty's fate. Mithun Chakraborty, the disco dancer of Indian cinema, is now counted among the most struggling and adaptable actors in Bollywood. The road, however, was not easy for him. His 1976 win of the National Award for his debut film Mrigya was accompanied by a great deal of hardship, mockery and rejections. A difficult beginning. Mithun entered the film industry at a time when superstars Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra ruled Bollywood. For an outsider, it wasn't too easy to break into the industry. Adding insult to injury, another reason for ridicule was his dark skin complexion. Many refused him as unfit for the hero's role. People then often said, "Do you want to be a hero? Look at yourself." Still, Mithun never surrendered. He won praise for his work in Mrigya and got both the National and BFJA award. Sadly, this critical acclaim was unfortunately not followed by work. The producers would not cast him, and leading ladies were told not to work with him. Some top heroes at that time even warned heroines to steer clear of proceedings with Mithunda, as this could inevitably lead to competition for eyes in the auditorium. Just when Mithun had thought his career had come to a standstill, up entered Zenith Aman. She was one of the top actors of that era. One industry lady with incredible confidence and charm took one look at Mithun and said, "This is your guy." She praised his good looks and acting ability and agreed to work with him in the 1983 film Taqdeer. That was the turning point. Taqdeer, which had Shatrughan Sinha co-starring, reignite at the box office. With Taqdeer barring the way for his other escape routes, he suddenly cemented a place for himself on his road to stardom in Bollywood. Zenith's support allowed Mithun to shake off the unlucky label or panauti that had haunted him till then. Taqdeer opened up great prospects for Mithun. From producers and actresses who once had an aversion for him came a wait list of people willing to work with him. With memorable roles in movies like Pyar Jhukta Nahi, Kasam Paida Karne Wale Ki and Disco Dancer, he carved out a name for himself throughout the years. He was an audience preferred and a trailblazer because of his distinctive dancing style and techniques. Zenith Aman has expressed in endless interviews about how thankful he is to her. In an interview, he said, "Zenith was the only person who stood by me. She called me cute and handsome and believed in me. I will always thankful to her for changing my destiny." Legacy of resilience. Mithun's journey is a tale of resilience and perseverance. Mithun Chakraborty will be remembered not just as an accomplished actor, but an inspiration to all to dare to dream against the odds. And Zenith Aman put faith into him that tremendously changed the course of those dreams into reality.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.